Punta naman kami sa playroom.
It's a baby playroom.
Listen.
Yeah, it's a baby playroom.
It's on the fourth floor.
You need to change your clothes. Listen.
Let's just go back to school and start walking.
Pang baby
Oh
yan
wait,
dito.
this is where I want to go.
Uy, okay lang ba dito? Cellphone.
Okay, let's go. Come on, come
Ha?
on. Close the under egg.
It's for the baby.
I'm 8.
Hmm?
Ba't hindi ako pala dito? Gusto ko bumili.
Guys, this
Na
is
wag
the
na,
baby
alanganin na.
room.
Magtikwalan
Under
na.
8.
Mahal pati dyan.
I don't know where the baby is. I know where the baby is. Yeah, it's on the fourth floor. Let me walk it. It's pretty dumb. I haven't seen the other
Listen, you
one.
need towel? Oh, be careful.
Okay?
Sunod-sunod lang kami sa aming mga alaga.
Ay, nako. Mag-alaga na lang ako ng anak ko.
Sana naman ito pupunta ng dalawa na to.
Yung bago pa ako.
If you go down.
Nga ako sabi ko, pero ano ko, saan tayo punta?
Oh. Here.
Where we go?
Oo, wala na signal ito. For ba? Ano bang ano to? Anong...
Oh, right here. Guys, lift. The lift. The lift.
The other side. Bakit dyan ka nag...
Come on, I missed it.
Mga magaling yan sila. Kaya ako sabi ko, makunturuan nga kung saan ako. Hindi ko alam ha. Sabi niya dati, kunin ko na yung gabi niya sa restaurant.
Ano?
Hindi ko alam papunta doon.
Takbo. Okay, here. Bababa ba?
Tapos tinuruan niya ako dahil sabi niya, you go left, right, and then, and then,
Mas magaling pa to sa ating mga ito eh.
yan nga.
4?
Mawawalan signal.
4 or 3? Or 2M?
4. 2M, we go in 2M. Listen.
We are at 6.
2M. Is it 2M?
2M.
2M. This is 4. I told you 2M.
See, it's 4 already.
No, it says wrong.
Okay, I'm close.
This is the art room floor. We go to the art or art. That is the art room. Art.
Listen, be
Also,
careful.
do you want to do bowling? Okay. After I do, you know, the obstacle course. We'll do that before.
Here.
No,
You guys going down? Not yet. Everybody in. Okay. Oh, look, they shop at Y
我
Kids.
们先打游戏，他先玩啊。OK。那我想看你们。不是我们先玩，然后我就看你们先。对啊，一楼看。你要看我的。好嘞。等一下，他会吗？谁？他不会。Minecraft 他会。那好。
Logan has all the mods. He has dragons and tanks.
我弟弟的 mod. Wait, they play Minecraft.
Crazy mods.
You play Minecraft? Wait, how much Minecraft did you get for me?
None.
Let's just go to the.
Where are we going?
Yeah, I'm not even allowed to play Minecraft.
Sneaky way of getting mods.
Ha? Duman tayo dito kanina. Maganda doon sa may ano kasi hindi pwede doon mag-photo kami. Ayan, dito kami. Ay, ang ganda.
So the playroom's on the other side first floor. But you have to walk up the floor. Or do you want to do laser tag? Laser tag? Yeah. Okay, I'll do laser tag first. Laser tag is rolling again. You got 5 hours. Do you use one every
Ang iingay.
Do you use one hour?
Saan din dami dyan naligo?
Saan? Maganda doon sa may falls, oh. May falls doon kaso lang bawal doon mag-photo, mag-picture.
Bawal?
Bawal. May nakalagay doon. May nakalagay doon bawal ang sa bawal.
It'll take so long. So we might have like
Ay, mahal.
we might have like 3, maybe like 30 minutes.
Sunod-sunod lang kami sa aming mga alaga. Ay, tamo, ang ganda, oh. Tamo. Oh. Bawal doon magkuha ng video. Bawal mag-video. Dito. Nandito si Kalom din. Kailan?
Yeah, two flights of
Ang lamig naman dito.
Celestine?
But we're not really allowed to cross the gate.
Celestine, you want to change the clothes? Change your
Is it
clothes.
here? Yeah. I think this
Kami sa playroom. Ayan, ito yung playroom nila. Ay, may tinda din yata dito. Kaso lang, ang mahal naman dito. Akit pa? Akit pa yata. We're going up. Calm, come down. We're not going up.
Hey, no. Oh, check in first, no?
Come down, come down, come down.
Barbara and Leonard just take a look because he's new.
It's okay. I want to take a look first before you decide whether you
Yeah.
What's that?
Whoa.
Dito na.
Bago lang kami dito eh.
Alam na ng alaga ko kasi yung isa gabang. Pumunta lang kayo dito para nag Hey, ha?
After our checked out, of course, we go to the toilet.
Ano daw sabi? Ha?
Babayad kasi.
Eh, wala naman dito. Hindi maalam nanay niya nandito tayo.
Celestine.
We need to... Uy, kalom. Sabi mo sa kanya. We cannot... Uy, shh.
You have a look, come on. And then you decide what do you want to plan.
Oh, wait, so is the laser tag here open?
Hala, baka magbayad eh. Hindi naman tayo... Wala dito yung...
Laser tag today. So it's only once a month and then the laser tag for this one.
Nakabi. Ay,
So you can go to the next one.
ikaw. Tingnan tayo.
Oh, I know this one. I recognize this one.
Then if you want to play, you have to check in pass. Go and get a bundle pass.
Alam, may bayad ba dito?
If I do this, hindi to libre.
Naku, eh, hindi alam yung nanay nyo nandito kayo. Halika kayo. Hindi. Ha? Because,
Go down and get a bundle. Check in.
oy, we cannot, because we need to go down at 12 o'clock.
No, I don't want to go anymore. I'm going to laser tag. Bye. No, not here. Not here. Bye-bye. There's no laser tag today, Carol. No, not here. He's so bad.
Hindi na, wag na.
The other laser.
Wag na mag-check.
What you said.
Wag na kasi, anong oras na? Alanganin na yung oras.
Ready.
Oh,
Laser tag is
5 minutes.
What you
Ah?
said. There's laser tag.
Oh, magte-12 na eh.
Ano tayo sa labi? Sabihin mo.
Oy, we're going down to the lobby because we need to go down at 12:15 on the restaurant. We're go down. Saan naman ito pupunta itong mga ito?
Celestine, you don't eat your snack.
How about I eat my snack and then go bowling?
Here.
Go bowling now.
Or Celestine.
Go down?
We go down to the lobby.
The labi.
No, bowling now.
Sa asang restaurant tayo pupunta?
Oo, alam niya to.
Because from one.
Sinabi na yan sa kanya eh. Basta ang oras lang.
Try press a little.
12:15 na, diba? 12:15, diba? Pupunta
One's
tayo.
ready.
Anong oras na dyan, Dad?
One. How about we just go walk down?
5 minutes.
Oh, close. We're here?
No, we're not. Let's go back here.
No, come here, come here.
Here.
I tell it's a trick.
Celestine, what?
It's a trick.
Ano daw? Ay, nako. Where you going? Nakakaloko naman tong alaga.
Celestine, are you okay? Celestine, are you okay?
We're going down the stairs.
The CCTV. The CCTV.
Just go down to the
I
stairs.
want to go bowling. I want to get my head smashed by
Oh, here. It's open. It's open. May saltik tong mga ito eh.
bowling now.
Celestine.
Ano ba?
Bye!
Open.
Kung halagyan nyo dito.
Nakakamatong na.
What the hell?
Loko-loko talaga to alaga mo.
Wait up! I'm a friend!
Kalam, be careful.
I'm a friend!
Ha?
And look who we are today.
Oy, Kalom, come here.